Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about the one, the only Tesla stock. Tesla stock, guys, is down 34%, and is it going to sell off more? That's what we're going to be talking about. So I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you guys do, hit that like button and subscribe. Like and subscribe right now. And if you guys want to learn more about swing trading and trading in the stock market, I'm a full-time swing trader. So make sure you guys check out my school where you guys can learn how I find stock and opportunity, my strategies, my mindset, and exciting news. We're doing a early, spring sale. You guys can use code HALF-OFF to get 50% off, which is incredible. Only valid for this week. So make sure you guys check it out. But guys, let's dive into this. Let's go. So looking at Tesla stock here, you guys can see that in the past year to date, it seemed a lot of sell-off. The stock's gone from 300 all the way down to $163. And the issue is right now, you always hear the expression of buy low, sell high. So right now we're seeing this general downward trend, and the last thing you guys want to do is buy in at 163 and see it squeeze down to $100, and now next thing you know, you're losing money. So I do think there's a lot of volatility involved right now with Tesla, and pretty much in the past. Right now we got to understand Tesla did cut their price. They cut their price to the vehicles, which as consumers, that is absolutely fantastic. But as investors, that makes us a little worried because that money comes from somewhere. That comes from their profit margin. It pretty much doesn't change how, the price of the car to make. It doesn't change that at all. It literally comes from the profit margin. All the leftover money is not there anymore. So that's one of the reasons we're seeing sell-off. Another reason why we're seeing so much sell-off here is because of interest rates. Interest rates right now are super high. If you compare it back, I know it sounds crazy, but compare it back to 2020, 2019. Interest rates were a lot lower, which caused a lot more people to be a little more comfortable buying more of a luxury car. On top of that, right now, I do think that Tesla, in my opinion, is a fantastic company, but it's just a volatile growth company. Looking at some of the fundamentals here, you guys can see that we've seen a beat on deliveries, right? A nice growth on deliveries the past quarter. Their EPS, also known as earnings per share, is up 112%. The gross profit margin, like I said, is down 25%. That doesn't come at a huge surprise because they've cut in the price of the vehicles the past couple of quarters. Their net margin is up about 104%. As we scroll down here, their revenue is still up 3%. So despite the interest rates, despite, a lot of volatility in the marketplace, they're still increasing revenue, which is a good thing. You always want to invest in a company that is increasing that revenue here, as well as the operating income is down 47%. The net income is up 114%, and their cash flow is up about 33%. So one of the things here that I do think is important is kind of understanding what's going on with Tesla stock right now. So like I said, we saw Tesla actually in the past year or so cut a lot of vehicle prices, which comes from that profit margin. But as of April 1st, Tesla warns of a price hike for all of the Model Y trim set to increase by $1,000. So hopefully we can start getting an increase in profit margin, which is always good to see. So what happened here? The base version of the Model Y currently starts at about $43,990, while the long range and performance variants start at about $48,000, $52,000. So starting April 1st, the base variant, the best-selling vehicle, will start at about $44,990. So you guys can see the $1,000 price difference here. Prices will increase. Prices in the U.S. will increase by over $1,000 for all Model Y trims on April 1st, which is, in my opinion, I really think that that's kind of a good thing for the company. I know as consumers that's not great, but hey, there's a couple of weeks left before April. So if you want to buy Tesla, buy it now. It'll save you guys $1,000. But to answer that question, of should you buy Tesla, I know that's why a lot of people clicked on this video. And, the best approach and mindset you have to have with Tesla is, where do you see the company? For me, I think Tesla is more than a electric car manufacturer. They're more of a software. They're a data and tech company, in my opinion, over a car manufacturer. So I definitely think with the overall rise of artificial intelligence, autonomous driving, tech, and data, I think that Tesla definitely has a strong future. But beforehand, you got to understand that Tesla's volatility. We've seen this huge rise of the EV sector where all these stocks were going parabolic, right? Tesla went from $11 to $413. So yeah, if it takes a couple years to get some sell off, that's kind of normal and expected. On top of that, I do think probably the best strategy to invest or buy Tesla as of right now, it's like buying this stock all the way back in 2020. So you're buying it at a massive discount, and I understand the volatility is there. I get it. But you also have to understand that you got to buy low and sell high, and sometimes buying at lows is scary because the future is still unknown. So a good strategy that I do think is good is to dollar cost average it. Dollar cost averaging is a great way to invest in the growth stocks or stocks with a little more volatility, because what you do is you just invest consistently. So if Tesla stock does sell off more, you're just averaging down that price. So when it recovers, your average cost is lower and you can make a lot more money. It's a great way to invest, like I said, in the growth stocks, in companies that are a little more volatile. But another thing that I do want to show you guys is this here. Tesla became the best selling car company in Norway. So they definitely have a huge competitive advantage, and I'm excited. I'm excited to see where Tesla goes in the future. Let me know if you're buying it. I own shares of Tesla, and I'm probably just going to continue to dollar cost average it. The average analyst rating right now is giving it a hold. So not a buy, not a sell. And then the average analyst price target is about 211. So you're still buying it at somewhat of a discount. A lot of indicators are giving it a little bullish direction. So we'll see, you guys. Let me know down in the comments if you're buying it, like I said. And if you guys want to learn more about swing trading and and investing into the stock market, check out my course. We have private live streams. We have a group chat where we talk about stocks. It's your one-stop shop for all of your trading and investing needs. So check it out down below. Code half off to get 50% off. So I will see you in there. Like, subscribe, and I appreciate every single one of you for hanging out with me, because right now, guys, it's like 1:30 in the morning, so I am absolutely tired. But we'll see you guys later. Like, subscribe, and don't forget to check out my swing trading masterclass on YouTube. We just started the channel. I'll put it down below. Like, subscribe there as well, and I appreciate all of you guys for hanging out with me, and I hope you guys have a fantastic day. And Tesla, hopefully it goes to $1,000. That's my plan. See you guys.